How you going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be working on the BMW Mini N47 diesel engine, replacing the PCV valve. The PCV valve on the N47 diesel engine is up here just underneath this cover. So first and foremost, I'll just remove this heat shield cover. The PCV valve is just here underneath obviously these electrical connectors. So what I'll do first and foremost, as I said, is I'll get these disconnected and moved out of the way. Now there is 3 T20 Torx bolts, 1, 2, 3 in here. That rubber looks perished, that vacuum hose. This is a new part here, this is a new diaphragm and the spring in the cap. So you just got to make sure that everything is the exact same prior to removing this. So all I'm going to do is just use a pick and carefully remove the tabs. As you can see, they're perished with the heat, so probably if most of them are going to break when I remove it. And then all that will happen now is I'll just lift the cap up. This is the old one here, and it is actually a little bit hard. It's hardened obviously with the heat through time. So I'll replace that now. And if we want to do a comparison here of both of them, just give this a quick clean. You just have to make sure that the diaphragm is seated properly in the casing prior to fitting the lid. And all we do is we just reline up the tabs with the holes here and then push it down. As you can see, that's very simple. And now it's just a case of plugging everything back in again, putting everything back onto this frame here. What I'll do now is I'll compare the back pressure crankcase readings compared to, and then obviously compared to what I had before. Now I've had a look at some of the literature online, and the blow-by should be between 2.5 to 10 millibars, or between 1 to 2.49 inches H2O, so everything is completely normal. As you can see there, the exhaust back pressure at the moment is 2.98 millibar with the engine off. Exhaust gas temperature before catalyst 63.64 degrees Celsius. Exhaust gas temperature before particulate filter 53.15. What I'm going to do now is just start up the car and then look at the back pressure. So all I'm doing there is just checking the back pressure on the DPF filter, and that's a really low reading for the car at the moment. And that's it guys, thanks very much for watching. Take care.